Hi viewers, if you are checking out Prega News for the first time, then please do not forget to subscribe Prega News and you can see a bell icon. So you have to click on this bell icon to get the updated notification from Prega News. Hi friends, this is Juliet and welcome you all to Prega News. Today in this video we'll discuss about food to increase lactation. So let's check out. How to increase breast milk supply. This is a very valid question that generally hits the mind of ladies after delivery. Every mother wants to feed their baby and give them their natural breastfeeding. For this, they literally want to increase the breast milk supply. One of the best ways to increase milk supply is to keep on nursing your little one. Making milk from your baby is better than any other method to make milk in your body. The stimulation of the nerves during breastfeeding helps produce more milk in the breast. The emptying of the milk signals your body to increase the milk production. If you feel your milk supply still need an improvement, then you should consider adding food that promote milk production. Milk stimulating food are called galactagogues. Moringa leaves. Generally, these are the leaves of drumstick plant. Moringa leaves or drumstick leaves are given in the form of stir fry or curry is given to new moms in Kerala. It helps in improving breast milk production. Dark green vegetables. Dark leafy green vegetables such as lettuce, spinach and broccoli are full of nutrients, especially calcium. They also contain phytoestrogen that may have a positive effect on breast milk production. Sesame seeds. High in calcium and estrogen like plant properties, breastfeeding mothers use sesame seeds to make more breast milk. You can eat sesame seeds alone as an ingredient in the recipes you prepare, as a topping for salads or in a trail mix combined with other seeds, nuts and dried fruit. Spinach. Spinach and beet leaves contain iron, calcium and folic acid. These are essential for recovering anemic mothers. This will help in making your baby strong. Spinach and beet leaves contain detoxifying agents. Spinach contains certain plant chemicals which could help prevent breast cancer. Include these leaves in midday soup. Mix them with dough and make parathas, as it's a Indian flat bread or chapatis for a meal. Remember to eat spinach in moderation as too much could cause diarrhea in your baby. Oats. Oats are easy to prepare as a meal. They are considered to control the occurrence of diabetes during post-pregnancy. Oatmeal is loaded with energy. It contains fiber and is good for your digestion. Have a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast. If the thought of having oatmeal is not appetizing, you can try having oat cookies instead. Carrots. A glass of carrot juice with breakfast or lunch will work wonders in lactation. Like spinach, carrots do have lactation promoting qualities. It contains vitamin A, which complements lactation and boosts the quality of your milk. You can have carrots as raw, steamed or even pureed to a soup. In winters, try having pureed carrots stirred with warm milk and sugar. Fenugreek seeds, locally called methi. Fenugreek seeds are known for boosting breast milk supply. Chew on the sprouted seeds along with a glass of milk to prevent post-delivery constipation. It enhances your milk quality. Toss in the seeds with seasoning and flavoring. Have them for breakfast as a pancake by mixing fenugreek seeds and rice. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is generally not a preferred vegetable but is high on nutrition. It is summer vegetable which has high water content. This keeps a nourishing mother hydrated. It also helps increase milk quantity. It is easy to digest and aids in lactation. If not as a vegetable filling, you can use it to make a sweet pudding. Drink freshly made bottle gourd juice to help normalize raised blood sugar levels post-delivery. Garlic. Garlic is considered the best food to increase breast milk as it is well known for boosting lactation in nourishing mothers. It has a chemical compound which help in lactation. Garlic consumption prevents all types of cancer. Toss in a few stir-fried garlic cloves in your soup. Add it in a vegetable of your choice. Another option is to stir-fry a handful of garlic cloves in ghee and have it with steamed rice every alternate day. Barley. Barley not only boosts lactation, it also helps you hydrated. You can boil barley and have the water through the day. Toss in whole barley with other vegetables with your favorite flavoring. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans or chichi beans, are common legume used in Mediterranean or Middle Eastern cooking. Breastfeeding women have been eating chickpeas to make more breast milk since the ancient Egyptian times. Chickpeas are a nutritious food that is high in protein. They also contain plant estrogen that may be responsible for its use as galactagogue. You can add chickpeas to pasta or salads. Hummus, a tasty spread or dip made from chickpeas, is another way to enjoy this very healthy beans. Hope this video of mine will definitely help all the ladies, those who have delivered the baby and want to increase the milk supply. So thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share and like my channel, that is Prega News. And if you like this video, please do not forget to hit on the like button. Thank you.